Home remedies for sensitive teeth. Sensitive teeth might be one of the most unpleasant aspects of your oral health. According to the Academy of General Dentistry, over 40 million people in the United States suffer with dental sensitivity. If you're sick of feeling agony every time you drink something that's either too cold or too hot, it's time to take action. To ease the pain, here are some home remedies you can try for sensitive teeth. Desensitizing toothpaste. Desensitizing toothpaste contains ingredients that protect nerve endings from irritants. Potassium nitrate, a chemical that stops pain signals coming from a nerve in your tooth to your brain, is the most active component. Your sensitivity will decrease after a few applications. Dentists also advocate using a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride or low-acid mouthwash. Salt water rinse. Salt is an antiseptic that can also help relieve inflammation. Gargle with a salt water rinse twice a day to relieve discomfort from sensitive teeth. Mix half to 3/4 teaspoon salt into a glass of lukewarm water. Swish the solution about in your mouth for 30 seconds. The solution should then be spit out. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a disinfectant and a mild antiseptic. Peroxide may also be used as a mouthwash to mend gums and prevent inflammation. Honey and warm water. Honey is an antibacterial agent that may be used to treat wounds. Honey can aid in the speeding up of healing as well as the reduction of pain, swelling, and inflammation. Rinse your mouth with warm water and a tablespoon of honey to relieve discomfort from sensitive teeth. This rinse will aid in the healing of the mouth. Ground turmeric. Turmeric may also be used as an anti-inflammatory medication in addition to cooking. Turmeric includes curcumin, a substance recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties. Massage ground turmeric on your teeth for better dental health and to relieve discomfort from sensitive teeth. Make a topical paste using 1 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon mustard oil as an alternative. For pain treatment, apply this paste to your teeth and gums twice a day. Unsweetened green tea. Green tea is another substance with well-known health advantages. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities have been employed in cancer prevention and cardiovascular health research. Green tea can also benefit your oral health. Use unsweetened green tea as a mouthwash twice a day to strengthen teeth and reduce inflammation if you have sensitive teeth. Capsaicin. Capsaicin is a chemical present in many spicy peppers, including chili peppers. Capsaicin is an analgesic that has been used to treat burning mouth syndrome by lowering inflammation and discomfort. Capsaicin can be used as a topical gel or as a mouth rinse to treat sensitive teeth. It may burn at first, but with repeated usage, it will ultimately diminish pain sensations. Vanilla extract. Antiseptic and pain-relieving effects are found in vanilla extract. It has been used to relieve the pain and discomfort caused by teething in newborns. Pour vanilla extract onto a cotton ball to soothe sore teeth. Apply the cotton ball to your gums for a few minutes, and then repeat as required. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.